Creating a text-to-speech application from scratch can be quite an involved process, especially in a low-level language like C, which doesn't natively support high-level abstractions suited to such tasks. However, the good news is that you can leverage existing libraries that provide text-to-speech capabilities, thereby simplifying the process significantly. One of the popular libraries you can use for text-to-speech is Espeak, which is an open-source software speech synthesizer for English and other languages. Espeak provides a C API, which makes it possible to incorporate into a C program. Here is a high-level, step-by-step approach you can take to create a simple text-to-speech application in C using Espeak. First, you need to set up your development environment. You'll have to download and install Espeak on your system. Generally, this would involve visiting the Espeak website, downloading the proper binaries for your operating system, and following installation instructions. Once Espeak is installed, you will need to link the Espeak library to your C project. Most C compilers let you link with external libraries using specific flags. For example, if you are using GCC on a Unix-like system, you might use the Espeak flag to link against the Espeak library. Next, you can start writing your C code. The idea is to use the Espeak API functions. Start by including the necessary headers and initializing the Espeak TTS engine. For Espeak, you might need to include a header like number include aspeaklib.h. You'd then initialize the library by calling espeak initialize, which sets up necessary resources. After initialization, you can call espeak.synth to convert any given string text into speech. This function will require parameters such as the text to synthesize, the length of the text, and maybe some other configurations like the voice or language settings. After calling espeak_synth, the text you supply will be sent to the audio device of your computer, and you should hear it being spoken by the TTS engine. Finally, remember to clean up by calling aspeak_terminate once your application is done calling on the TTS functionality. This ensures that all resources are properly released and that your program ends gracefully. Throughout this process, ensure that you handle possible errors, such as when the library fails to initialize or if the synthesis fails for some input. Working in C means managing memory and system resources carefully to maintain the health of your application. Though modest in functionality, this application highlights how leveraging existing libraries allows you to perform complex tasks like text-to-speech in C without needing to write everything from the ground up.